Have you ever wanted to delete your TikTok watch history? Maybe you watched something weird, or you just want to start fresh. Whatever the reason, here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Now tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines, or hamburger menu, at the top right of your profile screen. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Then tap on Watch History. Here you'll see everything you've recently watched. To clear it, tap on Select. Tap on Select All Watch History. Tap on Delete. Confirm your choice, and that's it. Your TikTok watch history is gone. Simple, quick, and clean. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.